Here we are at Cockington Green in Canberra. Let's go and have a look and see what's in there. This is a miniature replica of an English village where everything is just tiny. This is the fairy garden, complete with its own moving train. There's lots and lots of begonias. Heaps of begonias. And the cutest little houses. Here's a display of the women's T20 cricket match. We're actually going to go and see that tomorrow night against Bangladesh, so it should be fun. There's an old man out the front of the manor with a push mower mowing the lawn. There's fancy cars in the driveway. They're playing golf and tennis, all pretty fancy. Here's a drunken husband passed out on the driveway. It looks like the wife's not very happy. He's got his car jammed in there somehow. Who knows how he got that in there. Here's a church and a wedding going on there. Next to that's the graveyard. Got some Oompa Loompas here painting the house. It's pretty cute. We've got miniature vehicles here. This is outside a pub, so there's obviously been a disturbance and someone passed out on the ground and the police are there. There's a farm with stone walls separating each paddock with some animals in those. Pretty cool. This is an electric train that's just going around the lake, and it stops at the station to pick up its passengers. Here they're doing archery, and they've obviously killed somebody because they've missed the arrow on his head and got him instead. The gardens here are beautiful. They're just so nicely done and lots of colour. Here we are back at the cricket again. Looks like Miranda with Whistle watching the game from the sideline. There's a guy over here by the fence, looks pretty stressed out. Oh no, the tractor's gone through the fence here. is funny. There's actually a streaker here being escorted off the grounds by the police. Oops, maybe you should have shut the door. Wow, this is a maze. How long would this have taken them to have done? This is a sinking houseboat, and the owner's there saying that it's only got some minor leaks. This is the lock for the canal for all the houseboats to go into. Now we're going into the international display. This is amazing. Thanks, Cockington Green. That was a great place to visit for all ages.